our products have stood the test of time, providing plumbers and homeowners with a steady flow of proven product reliability and superior technical know-how for wastewater transfer challenges. And now, Little Giant introduces the latest addition to its product lineup, the 16G Series 1-horsepower grinder. Designed for the toughest residential and light commercial wastewater applications, the 16G delivers reliability and optimal performance in a grinder pump. Our heavy-duty 1-horsepower Class F motor combined with Franklin Electric's proven cutting mechanism. The hardened stainless steel designed cutter system features 27 stationary blades and 8 rotating blades, producing an impressive 3,450 rotations per minute and 745,200 cuts per minute. This versatile pump features a 1/4-inch discharge and a 2-inch NPT adapter pre-assembled to the pump, making it the ideal drop-in replacement for any effluent or sewage pump struggling with clogs and binding. The silicon carbide mechanical seal offers up to 6 times longer seal life with lower thermal expansion and higher abrasion resistance when compared to carbon ceramic seals. And the easily replaceable 20-foot power cord is sealed at the connection point for added unit protection against water. Little Giant's 16G Series leads by performance against competitive grinder pump products. The 16G Series is also available in 115-volt and 230-volt models with vertical and tethered float switch options. Contact Little Giant